Hello everyone, come with me today to go get my wireless microphone. So I entered the Keke to where I'll be getting the microphone and I'm back home. So let's unbox it together. Tada! This is the carton of the microphone and you can see the name boldly written on it, K9 wireless microphone. So this is how it looks inside. You can see it is compatible for both iOS and Android phone. This is how it is used for iOS when you are not using the main Type-C. This is the Android and I brought out the charger, and this is how the charger looks. The charger is connected to the microphone. It has a charging port where you can charge it. Tested it and it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.